I mean, you know what? I chose because I had to choose, because I paid for it, not because I want to. Hi everyone, it's Sally Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you the Ipsy Glam Bag X. Yes! Confirmed choices for August 2021. I know that I'm a bit excited, but I'm a bit excited because I think this is my very first super honest video wherein I'm really disappointed, unhappy, bored with the Ipsy Glam Bag X beauty box. I think this has been the worst Ipsy Glam Bag X. And just as a disclaimer, it's not about the products. It's actually about the product choices. I'm sure the products that they have here actually has some good benefits as well. It's just that for Glam Bag X, it's nothing special. And I just felt like they did not really think through about the choices that we have. I actually received the Ipsy Glam Bag X the previous quarter, and that is good. There's really great high-end ones, but with this, there's not a lot of high-end, and I'm really disappointed. And they even showed in the spoilers that there was like the Tatcha product, right? The primer, and then they also have like the Charlotte Tilbury. So to those who got those, I'm so happy for you. Those are not in my choices. So basically, again, as a disclaimer, I'm speaking this based on my experience, okay? So just so you know, again, the Ipsy Glam Bag X is an upgrade from your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus every third month, wherein you are billed normally $25 for your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then on the third month, you are billed $55 for the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and you get 8 products. And out of the 8 products, 5 are chosen by Ipsy for you, and 3 you get to pick. So let me show you first the choices that they have in the 3 categories. So the first category is, guess what? A combination of fragrance and skincare. So the first boring product for me, oh my gosh, again, I'm just bored with the product, not about the quality of the product, okay? So there's a difference, is the Define Me fragrance, and this one is crystal infused natural perfume mist in Kahama Aquamarine, and it's valued at $40. And this one actually says that it's made with coconut oil, all natural essential oils like pink pepper, hibiscus, and white orchid. I mean, I really never tried a fragrance such as this, so you know what? I don't know. I mean, it's something new to me and I've never heard of the brand before. So the next product is the Dr. Brand Skincare. I mean, this is the only thing I think that's pretty good. I actually chose this in the first batch, and this one is actually valued at $132. And this one is full size, and this one actually has amino acid peptides. It also has flaxseed extracts and skin energizing complex that will actually help to firm, lift, and hydrate the skin. Honestly, if this one did not say Dr. Brand, I'm not gonna get this either. I mean, it's just a little bit boring as well, but just because it's Dr. Brand, I chose it. So the next product is the Beauty Stat Universal C Eye Perfector. And this one is $65. And this one actually says that this one actually has the most stable form of vitamin C. It also has hyaluronic acid, green tea extract that will actually help to bright, plump, and smooth your eye area. Again, not appealing for me. Is it appealing to you yet? And the next product is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. I mean, Laneige is actually a very good reputable skincare brand, but really, I'm not sure if a lot of people really do a lip sleeping mask. It's just not practical. Do you really use a lip mask? I mean, come on. Please let me know. Oh my gosh. This one is actually full size, and this one actually says that it has that moisture wrap technology and also has hyaluronic acid and protective minerals while you sleep. I mean, I don't care. I mean, I don't use a lip mask. And the next product is, oh my gosh, I hope I'm not being a Debbie Downer, but you know what? I need to be honest about the choices this time. Because again, last time, there were more better choices. So the next product is the Brio Geo Hair Care. What's that? I haven't heard of that brand. Brio Geo. Oh my gosh, I'm just trying to amuse myself. And this one says, Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. And this one actually has rosehip, organ, and coconut oils to smooth the frizz and seal the split ends as well. Who cares? Oh my gosh! And the last product in the first category is the Bread Beauty Supply. And this one actually has macadamia oil and 100% concentrate for hair and body. And this one actually is harvested in Australia, and it's actually very good for dry hair and dull skin. I mean, good luck. If you actually choose this, I mean, I hope it works for you. Oh my gosh. So now it's time for the next category. But you know what? Before I do that, let me drink my $1 Arizona green tea. Because you know what? Oh my gosh, my $58.16, that's actually with tax. I felt like it went on a drain. Oh my gosh. So there you go. Maybe later what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat Pringles. So the next batch is a combination of makeup and some makeup accessories. So the first one is the Complex Culture 4-piece face and eye brush set. And this one is valued at $74 and it actually comes with 4 brushes. So what do you think? I mean, again, I'm not really wowed by this. And the next product is the Kimchi Chic Beauty. Okay, now I'm gonna be nice. Thank goodness for kimchi because I really love kimchi from RuPaul's Drag Race. And I actually chose this because I love the packaging. It's super cute. And who really doesn't like a pink blush, right? And I love kimchi. So there you go. I have a positive thing for you today. Yes. And the next product is the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in Charlie. Really? I've seen this product before. Do you really have to put it here? This is nothing special. This is not Glam Bag X, okay? So the next product is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff on the go. And the value of this is $27. I mean, I love Origins, but I just feel like this is not so high-end. I mean, Ipsy before offered more high-end. So, you know what? Okay, it's okay. So this one actually says that it helps with tired eyes because it has a boost of caffeine and it also has coffee beans and Panax ginseng that will help to combat puffiness and dark circles as well. So there you go. So the next product is the Beauty Blender Topaz Sky Makeup Sponge. And this is valued at $20. Okay, so it's a beauty blender. So yeah. So basically, the last product here on the second category is again, another Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in Scout. Just a different color from the other lip balm, valued at $26. So tell me, is that really exciting? It's not exciting. Yes! So now it's time for the final category. So the final category is a combination of makeup accessories and some additional makeup as well. So the first one here is the Ipsy Slinky Stasher, which is a makeup bag and it's valued at $18. I mean, I don't really see this as a cute bag. You know, it's just, I feel like they just made this just for the Glam Bag X, just for them to say that they did something. So the next product is the Tarte Clay Pot Waterproof Shadow Liner in Rose Gold. Seriously, this color, unless you're super fair skin, this is not gonna show as a liner. This will show more as an eyeshadow. And it's a 2-in-1 gel cream and I mean, it's Tarte, it's nice, but again, nothing exciting. And the next product is, by the way, I'm sorry if I'm being extra. I need to be extra or else we're gonna be bored with these products. And the next product is the Glamnetic times Ipsy Reusable Press-On Nails in Lilac Sky. And the value of this is $21.99. And yes, it's a press-on nails. I mean, I'm really not a fan of like press-on nails. So if you are a fan of it, I hope it works for you. Please let me know if it worked. Yes! And the next product is the Treats Beauty Co. Lash Treat. And this is full size at $65. And it says that this one actually has hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh, I think every word today has hyaluronic acid. And this one will also help to condition. It is also a conditioning serum that uses peptides and aloe vera. And it also helps to prevent breakage and encourage optimal lash growth. Okay, I mean, I don't really care because I use false eyelashes every day. And then the next product is the Wonder Beauty Skyliner Automatic Gel Eyeliner in Napa Nice or Napa Nice. And this is full size for $21. This is actually what I got because this one actually says that this is a shimmery plum eyeliner. I mean, you know what? I chose because I had to choose because I paid for it, not because I want to. I mean, nothing here really that I like, only the kimchi blush. And this one actually, okay, it actually is an eyeliner that's infused with olive and jojoba oils and that doesn't have the stress of pulling. I mean, yeah. And then the next product is the Violet Voss I Donut Care False Lashes. Yes, and it looks like you get 2 false eyelashes. I mean, seriously, you think that just because you offered an eyelash that we will be excited? No, I'm not excited. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me drink again. Arizona green tea, $1. This $1 iced tea makes me feel better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how about you? Are you getting excited with all these products? I'm sorry, I'm not. So now it's time for me to share to you what they picked for me in the Glam Bag X. Yes! So, the first product that they picked for me is the About Face Light Lock Powder in Smother. And this is full size at $30. And they say that this actually has pearlescent lavender and silver pigments to give your skin a glass-like glow. I mean, I don't need those silver pigments for me to glow. I mean, if you gave me a yellow gold, I'm gonna glow. Oh my gosh. So the next product here is the, oh my gosh, again, I'm being extra because I need to excite myself because I'm not excited about any of this except for the kimchi. So the next product that you chose for me is the ATHR Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette that's valid at $58. And they said that this is actually infused with organic coconut oil for smooth application. It also has rose quartz to illuminate your eyes and sapphire crystals to promote well-being. I don't care. I actually like the Vice Art Eyeshadow Palette Petite Pro better in the base box. Okay, so this one, not so excited. So the next product that you chose for me is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara in Cause I'm Black. And this one is valued at $24. I mean, I love Fenty Beauty, but I mean, again, it's a mascara. So, I mean, I hope it works, but this one is not really so exciting. Oh my gosh, what do you think? Oh my gosh, sorry if I'm whining. So the next product that they chose for me is the Herbivore Botanicals Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. And this is valid at $48. And they said that this one actually has rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. It also has squalene, turmeric root, and ashwagandha that will actually help to protect your skin, nourish your skin, and soothe your skin as well. Yes. So this one is a little bit promising as well, okay? And then the next one is, or the final choice that they have for me is the Volution Beauty Yupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. And this is valued at $39. And this one actually says that it's dubbed with matcha, which is the hero ingredient that this moisturizer will soothe, depuff, and energize dull, tired skin. I don't know. I'm just so tired of all these boring products. Oh my gosh. So there you go. So let me show you. So the value of all the products, including my choices and what they chose for me, is $367. I'll be honest with you, nothing exciting. What excited me here is only the kimchi blush, I'll be honest. And I'll be honest with you, because I also get the Ipsy Glam Bag for $12. I actually have better makeup there than the ones I have here for the Ipsy Glam Bag X. So there you go. So what's for my final thoughts? My final thoughts? This has been the most boring, most sad beauty box that I've seen when it comes to confirmed choices. I mean, what else can I say? I have to be honest because you know what? That's the only thing for us to really be able to evaluate all these, right? So there you go. If you enjoyed my super honest opinion on all these products, hope that you can support our humble channel with a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, spoilers, as well as product reviews, as well as my new episode where I actually do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you that you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And just so you know, if there's boring things around you, you know what? The last decision is yours to make it beautiful, to make it exciting. Okay? I love you and see you again soon. Bye!